Kingdom fungi. Kingdom fungi consist of some heterotrophic organisms which are devoid of chlorophyll and consist of some thread-like branched or unbranched structures called hyphae. Singular number hypha, plural number fungal hyphae. The fungi are dependent on other organisms for their nutrition. They cannot synthesize their own food. Kingdom fungi is divided into 4 classes. Class Phycomycete, class Ascomycete, class Basidiomycete, class Deuteromycete. Phycomycetes, example Mucor, Rhizopas, albugo. Mucor, Rhizopas, albugo. Class Ascomycete, which are called sac fungi, example East Penicillium claviceps. East Penicillium claviceps. They belong to the class Ascomycetes. Class Basidiomycetes, club fungi, example Agaricus, that means mushrooms, rust and smuts. Class Deuteromycetes, Deuteromycetes are called imperfect fungi, example Trichoderma, Alternaria, Coletotrichum. Now the main characteristics: fungi are heterotrophic. They are saprophytes. They are dependent on dead and decayed organic substances for deriving nutrition. They may be parasites. They are parasites on plants or animals. They are derive their nutrition from the living tissues. A parasitic fungus derives nutrition from the living tissues of animals and plants, but a saprophyte derives nutrition from dead and decayed tissues. Symbiotic: some fungi live together with another living organism and they are mutually beneficial to each other. This kind of relationship is called symbiosis. For example, lichen. Lichen is symbiotic association between fungi and blue-green algae. Mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza is symbiotic relationship between fungi and roots of gymnosperms. Fungi are unicellular as well as multicellular. They are cosmopolitan. They are found everywhere. In animal body also, plant body, on land. They are found in warm and humid habitats. Fungi prefer warm and humid habitats. The body consists of filament or thread-like structure, filamentous body. The small, narrow, thread-like or filament-like structures are called hyphae. All the hyphae are collectively called mycelium. These are the hyphae. These are fine, colorless threads which are called hyphae. When all the hyphae form a network or mesh-like structure, it is called mycelium. This is a cluster of fungal hyphae. This is an aggregate of fungal hyphae. All the hyphae are intertwined, forming a network or mesh. This is called mycelium. The hyphae are either cynocytic or aseptate or septate. Cynocytic means the hypha has many nuclei and the nuclei are not separated by partitions or septa. There is no septa, there is no partition, there is no wall. The hypha contains multiple nuclei. This kind of hypha is called sinocytic or aseptate. If the nuclei are separated by partitions or walls, then this kind of hyphae are called septate hyphae, because the nuclei are separated by septa or partitions. Septate hyphae, aseptate hyphae or sinocytic hyphae. The cell wall of fungi consists of chitin and polysaccharides. Reproduction occurs by vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction occurs by fission, fragmentation and budding. Fission, fragmentation and budding. Asexual reproduction occurs by the formation of asexual spores. These are the asexual spores: zoospores, conidia, sporangiospores. Sexual reproduction occurs by the formation of sexual spores. These are the sexual spores: oospores, ascospores, basidiospores. Sexual reproduction in fungi involves 3 steps: plasmogamy, karyogamy, meiosis. Sexual reproduction in fungi involves 3 steps: plasmogamy, karyogamy and meiosis.